Hi there, this is the Belife cordless stick vacuum. Real nice here, height adjustable, simple push button use. Here are some of the attachments, and then you do get a wall bracket to hang it. I don't use that, but it is available. It charges super easy, it just plugs in right in the front here. So let's give it a go. Let's go empty this. Now, normally this is very easy to do with two hands, a little bit more difficult with one hand. It is just a simple push button to release. But here we have it off of the stick. We'll take it up to the garbage can. You see it has the two levers. The blue is for the power. The black hook loop is just a simple pull it back. It opens your lid. You can just shake the garbage out. Close that lid. You're all ready to go again. Love this thing. Couldn't live without it.